Hi and welcome to the Unquendor Guitars Workshop. My name is Daniel and this is the second video in the series where I'm building a custom ordered guitar. In the previous episode I made this guitar neck, and if you haven't seen that video I'll leave a link in the description down below and a card at the end of this video if you like to check out how I made this neck. And in this video I'm going to make the body for this guitar, so yeah, let's go. And here is the guitar body, almost ready for the neck to be glued in. And yeah, I didn't show as much of me making this guitar body. That's because as part of the Unquendor Guitars custom guitar experience, my client has been here present in the workshop to both watch me make his guitar body and had some input in it as well while I was making the guitar. And that said, my client can arrive at the workshop any moment now to witness the glue up of the neck with this guitar body. And I think it's one of those milestones, very important milestone in any guitar build. And I always invite my customer to witness it as part of their custom guitar experience. But before I can glue the neck and the body, I still need to address some minor things to both the body and the neck. And we now have a guitar. Yeah, the guitar body is done, the neck is in, the heel of the neck has been carved, and I've fine sanded the entire guitar, which is now ready for finish, which unfortunately will be in the next episode. If you liked this episode, of course, let me know by leaving a like, leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And if you want to support this channel even more and make sure I can keep making guitars and these videos, support me by getting some of my merchandise, which will be in the video description down below, or hit that super thanks button so you can make a small donation and help to support this channel. And I would really appreciate any support you guys can give me at this moment. Like I said, in the next video I'll be putting some finish on this guitar and maybe even get this to a playable instrument. So I hope you join me in the next video, but until then, have a nice week.